Good evening, friends. Namaskar. For last 3 days, we talked about first 3 rainbow colors: red, orange, and yellow. Today, let's go through main points we discussed about these colors. यानी कि पिछले 3 दिनों में हमने रेनबो के पहले 3 कलर देखे: लाल, ऑरेंज और पीला. तो आज हम उन्हीं में से देखते हैं कि हमने कौन से मेन पॉइंट डिस्कस किए और वो कलर कैसे यूज करने को बोला हमने.
Hi, I'm Architect Prachi and you're watching my channel Interiors with Prachi. So far you have given me lots of likes, but I also want more subscriptions from you and your friends. So share it with them and also ask them to subscribe our channel for more interior tips. If you find these tips useful, do let them also get the benefit of these tips and improve their designing skills. Bye, keep watching and do comment in the description box below to tell us what you like about our videos and what more tips you will like to get on the interior subject. Bye for now.
Here what you see in the square is the spectrum color of warm colors. When we mix red with yellow, we get orange color. By mixing red and yellow in different proportions, we get lots and lots of shades as shown in this figure. They are all warm colors. Warm colors are used where we want to create energy, vibrancy and warmth. जब हम लाल और पीला कलर एकत्रित करते हैं तो हमें ऑरेंज कलर मिलता है. हम उन दोनों कलर में जिस मात्रा में डालेंगे उसके अनुसार हमें ऑरेंज कलर की छटा मिलती है. कभी गड़द ऑरेंज मिलता है तो कभी हल्का ऑरेंज मिलेगा. लेकिन ये सारे ही कलर वार्म कलर है, यानी कि ये गर्म कलर माने जाते हैं. तो ये कलर्स ऐसी जगह पे यूज होते हैं जहां हमें एनर्जी और उत्साह निर्माण करना है, जहां हमें जोश तैयार करना है. फ्रेंड्स, colors are extremely powerful. To make you understand power of colors, we also invited few expert speakers on these colors. Pallavi Desai, who is a Vastu consultant, she explained about red color, where and how to use as per Vastu. Jayashri Fene, she is a REPT practitioner. She explained about orange color. Neeta Palani, she is an astro counselor as well as Vastu consultant. She explained about yellow color. They all are color experts and they deal with colors and treat with colors all the time. So let's listen to their tips once again as and when we come across that color. दोस्तों, कलर्स में बड़ी शक्ति होती है. इन्हीं शक्तियों का प्रयोग करके वास्तु कंसल्टेंट, आयुर्वेदिक प्रैक्टिशनर, नेचुरोपैथिस्ट, एस्ट्रो काउंसलर्स, साइकियाट्रिस्ट, ये सब काफ़ी सारे प्रयोग कर चुके हैं और इनका प्रयोग करके लोग अब हमारे घरों को और इंसानों को ठीक भी करते हैं. इसीलिए इन कलर्स का प्रभाव आपको भी जानकारी हो इसकी, इसीलिए हमने इन एक्सपर्ट्स को बुलाया था. पल्लवी देसाई जी ने बात की थी एज अ वास्तु कंसल्टेंट, वास्तु में कहाँ लाल कलर का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. जयश्री फेणे जी ने हमें बताया कि ऑरेंज कलर कैसे और क्या काम करता है, वो आरईबीटी प्रैक्टिशनर है. नीता पलानी जी एस्ट्रो काउंसलर है, उन्होंने हमें बताया कि येलो कलर हमें कहाँ यूज़ करना चाहिए और उसमें कौन सी शक्तियाँ होती हैं. तो अगर आपने कोई एक पार्ट मिस किया हो तो भी कोई बात नहीं, इस वीडियो में हम लोग ये सारी बातें फिर से सुनेंगे और इन कलर्स के बारे में बाकी भी जानकारी एक बार थोड़ी सी ब्रशअप कर लेते हैं. So let's see what these colors and these experts have to say. I simply love to see the world rise. When the universe gives you a hint, the day is starting. आकाश में लालिमा छा जाता है और सूरज के आगमन का संदेशा देता है. Red is the most vibrant and happening color of all. Color of blood, नव निर्माण का रंग. Red is an excellent color to use as a highlight or to accentuate an area. You don't have to worry so much if you want to use red with green. They gel together very well. We have ready-made guide which is free for all. Really, it is free. It is Kudrat, that is Mother Nature. You can look at any plant with red flowers. You will observe that nature changes the shade of green as the shade of red flowers change. हर लाल फूल के साथ उसको साजा हरा कलर होता है, so that the red flowers will be seen prominently. तो चलिए सबसे पहले सुनते हैं पल्लवी देसाई जी, जो कि वास्तु कंसल्टेंट है, हमें लाल रंग का प्रयोग घर में कहाँ कहाँ करने के लिए बोलती है. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स सी where Vastu consultant Pallavi Desai had advised us where we should use red color in our homes.
Hello, this is Pallavi Desai. I am an astrologer and Vastu consultant practicing for past 14 years. वास्तु शास्त्र के अनुसार हर एक दिशा का एक रंग रहता है और साउथ ईस्ट मतलब आग्नेय दिशा के लिए रेड ये कलर दिया गया है. आग्नेय दिशा में यूजुअली किचन होना चाहिए वास्तु के अनुसार, और वहाँ पे कुछ सिंबॉलिकली आप रेड कलर का रख सकते हैं. पूरा रूम वो रेड कलर से कलर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप वहाँ पे एक वाज, पेंटिंग या कोई आर्टिफैक्ट भी रख सकते हैं जो रेड कलर का.
If you are a sensitive person emotionally, red is not a color for your walls. And never use red for your bedroom. Your bedroom needs peace. Though red is color of passion, it is also a color of anger and violence. If your family or staff fights with each other a lot, check if you have red color in your decor. Please remove it immediately. It will help them to calm down to some extent. Try it out and let me know in the comments below if this helped. Now you know which colors can be used with red highlights. You must be wondering where to use them. For past few months, our life has become very monotonous with the lockdown. You can add some colors in your house with colorful pillows. You can add red and grey or red and yellow pillows on your sofas. Red and turquoise throw pillows look very well together, and that's my staff's favorite color combination for throw pillows. Curtains, yes, you can have curtains in the shades of red or darker red. या तो curtains with red embroidery look very elegant as well. Red centerpiece or red rug will immediately change any dull room to a vibrant one. Even if you don't want the hassle of cleaning the carpet every day, you can always have one and store a roll of red carpet with you. Just place it below your center table and bingo, your living room will be ready to welcome the guests whenever they arrive. Bye for now. Keep watching our channel Interiors with Prachi. Tomorrow we will talk about the second rainbow color, that is orange. Subscribe and you will get a notification as soon as we publish a video. This beautiful photo is courtesy to Swapnil Agaskar, commercial photographer. As we see in this photo, the sky turns from reddish color to orangish color just before the golden sun rises to shine brightly. The color has brightness of fire. Orange is energetic color. Orange can freely be used with whites and yellows without any worry. But keep the proportion of orange color to 5 to 10% if you are new in using this color. Orange color is good choice to accentuate a corner. We used orange for the space where the microwave was to be kept. It looks mild when used in small proportion or in the area where there is depth. And the shutters are in back painted glass. Glass gives it a lightness. The orange doesn't look heavy when you are using it in the back painted glass. The lush green and orange combination is an excellent choice for a younger's room. A splash of color is always liked by young brains, especially boys. Let us know more about the power of orange color from today's expert speaker, Jayashree Fene. She practices rational emotional behavioral therapy.
Hello, I'm Jayashree Fene. I'm an MBA HR, a RBT counselor, tarot reader, and a soft skill trainer. Today we'll talk about the color orange in the rainbow. Orange brings to mind color of enthusiasm, warmth, happiness. It also brings to mind the feeling of energy in you. That's why orange should be in your living room, or it should be one of the colors in the living room, so that you can draw the energy and the warmth from that color into your lives.
You can try orange color, a self-texture laminate or a wallpaper for your TV background and TV panels. The orange wall in texture color is a hit if you are a fan of bright colors. You can keep other walls and furniture subdued and highlight one wall in deep orange. The shade of orange has to be appropriate for you if you are using it in a large proportion. Orange color will look good in mixture with other colors in your tapestry like sofa fabric or your curtains. Orange will also go well with the grey color. Yellow color यानी कि पीला रंग, हळदीचा पिवळा धमक रंग. थर्ड कलर इन द रेनबो, कलर ऑफ सन, सगळा आसमंत उजळून टाकणारा रंग, अंधेरा दूर करने वाला रंग. कितनी बात करूं येलो कलर के बारे में. इट इज सो पावरफुल कलर. एक पल में आपका मूड पूरी तरह से चेंज करता है ये रंग. हल्की हल्की बारिश हो रही है और कॉफी का कप लेकर मैं एक पोएम याद कर रही हूँ. बारिश का आनंद उठाते हुए सूरज की रोशनी को याद कर रही हूँ. That is what happens when we don't have yellow sunshine. You miss it. बारिश का मौसम कितना भी सुहाना लगे, हमें सूरज की याद दिलाई देता है. Glimpse of sunshine when the earth receives, the sky when becomes bright. Flowers blossom with a smile. Oh, what an alluring sight. Surprisingly, even though both are light colors, yellow and white go together very well. It is easier to design when we design from scratch, but sometimes we have to work with what's existing. Sometimes we have to retain part or full furniture and yet enhance the look. Yellow color comes in handy at such times. In metro city like Mumbai, we often come across a place which is spacious, but there is no natural light coming in anywhere, especially in industrial galas or large office spaces. This is one of the works we did in Andheri. The client had furniture with antique look, which he was very fond of and wanted to retain. We provided sufficient artificial illumination, but providing correct lumens is not everything. We also have to take into account the human psychology. This bright sunny yellow wall color brings in liveliness. ऐसा लगता है मानो सूरज की रोशनी अंदर आ रही है. कभी कभी लोग रेंटल स्पेसेस में शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं. That is, sometimes people shift in furnished places and don't have freedom to make permanent changes. This office had a dull look. The new owner wanted to do the makeover in minimum budget. Teal color pin-up board and wallpaper patches on shutters changed the look as desired, and that too in a very minimum budget. We will go on with interior tips on yellow, पर अब लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक और सुनते हैं नीता जी को. Let's go over to Astro Counselor Neeta Palani and see what she has to say about yellow color.
Friends, my name is Neeta Palani. I'm an Astro Counselor, Tarot Card Reader, a Crystal Healer Therapist. And my number is 9022906863. Regarding the color yellow, yellow color हमको विल पावर देता है, बढ़ाता है. इनफैक्ट मणिपुर चक्र का कलर है और ये कलर घर में हमको किचन में यूज़ करना चाहिए. उसका कारण ये है कि येलो कलर हमेशा लाइवलीनेस देता है, तो किचन में यूज़ करना चाहिए. और अगर आपके घर में सीनियर सिटीजन्स है तो कभी भी आपको येलो कलर उनके रूम में नहीं लगाना चाहिए. उनको पीस ऑफ माइंड नहीं आएगा, वो बहुत ही चिड़चिड़े रहेंगे. और ऑफिस में, ऑफिस के कैबिन में रखिए, जहाँ पर आपका स्टाफ बैठता है ज़्यादातर वहाँ रखिए ताकि वो सोए ना या नींद ना करें. इट विल कीप देम एक्टिव. थैंक यू.
And the yellow backdrop for these wash basins transforms the entire toilet block to a cheerful one. This backlit TV panel enlightens the entire living room.
Hi, you are watching my channel Interiors with Prachi. If you like the tips, definitely mention below in the box. Like and subscribe our channel and share it with your friends.
So friends, that is what we all covered in the warm colors that is first 3 rainbow colors in the first 3 videos. Video about red, about orange and about yellow. Tomorrow onwards we will be seeing what are cool colors, that is next 4 rainbow colors. So that's all about warm colors, friends. Let's say goodbye for today. Keep liking our videos and subscribing and of course sharing it with your friends. See you tomorrow.